Previously, I attempted the airspeed record. Whoa! Now, I will attempt the land speed record in Kerbal Space Program. The problem is, as you pick up speed, you lose all ability of stability. Oh! Why are you veering off like that? Oh my god! Oh, Jesus! So, we're going to strap a bunch of rockets to the back of a Kerbal, add some wheels, and hope for the best. Today we're going to try something that I haven't tried before. Not just can I beat the land speed record, but can I actually build a rover? Now this is going to be my first ever attempt at making a vehicle in this game that's designed not to fly, not to space travel, but to travel on land. So I am excited to see how fast we can go without burning up in a horrible fireball of death. Now let's get to it. So obviously if we want to go fast, we want to use this cockpit, I think, because it is the most aerodynamic looking one. Possibly this one, but I did learn from the comments of the last video that maybe I went a little bit too big, because obviously a lighter craft is easier to get up to a speed. So for now, we're going to start small. So I think very basic. Now I did kind of learn from my mistakes as well that solid rocket boosters are fairly good at moving heavy crafts, but in my experience, they're not very good at moving smaller crafts very fast. Now I could be wrong, so let's give this a try. To there and whoop, and to there. Perfect. And we'll name this Speedy Gonzalez. Gonzalez? Speedy Gonzalez. There you go. And of course, this is the Mark 1. Thought I'd switch things up today with a nice desert airfield. This is actually my first time using this airfield. It's part of one of the DLCs, I'm not really sure which one, but I think it kind of looks cool. So let's have a look. Jebediah Kerman, of course. Shall we take a front row seat? 3, 2, 1. Oh! 100 and... about 130 meters per second. Huh. We have a lot of control actually. This seems not so bad. And we came to a nice safe stop. Okay, let's try that again, but actually see what we're doing. I see a bit of an issue is that it is already pointing directly down into the ground. Which explains a lot. New plan, same principle. There you go. That looks fairly good to me. That is the Mark II. Let's go. Now the real-life land speed record was by the Thrust SSC, which had a record speed of 1,227 kilometers an hour, which is about 341 meters a second. Now that was set, I believe, back in 1997, which means I think it's about time that somebody tries to beat it again. Whoop! Oh no! Oh! 174 meters per second, not bad. Now stability was our issue there, so let's try something more stable. I'm thinking something along these lines to make it a little bit wider. There you go. Now let's move this just a little bit in. Whoop. I would say about like that. Let's get some aerodynamics. Like... I mean, these are completely wrong, but they look more like the actual ship. Aha, this is more what I was looking for. There you go. That doesn't look janky at all. It's fine, kind of. Wait, let me fix this. There you go, something along those lines. And also I think maybe just a subtle tail fin to help it stay a bit straight. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. Another benefit of this more streamlined design is that it will actually bring the weight back a bit so we won't tilt forward on this cockpit. So I see this going perfectly. That is the Mark III. Now, the original Thrust SSC was actually tested in the Nevada desert, which is another reason to try this one out in the desert, as a bit of an ode to the real accomplishment. So, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Oh my god. It's working so well. What the? That works so well. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we have broken the land speed record. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Of course, we're not just going to end things there. No. We're going to try and see how fast we can possibly make a vehicle without it burning up and exploding. Now, I didn't get too fast compared to some of your attempts there when it came to my video on breaking the airspeed record on screen here. But this time, I'm determined to have a pretty good go at it. So I don't actually have any way of driving normally. Like, I don't have powered wheels. I don't have any liquid fuel engines that have adjustable thrusters. But I mean, it seems to be rolling kind of in the right direction. So I'm thinking we'll have a longer distance to go once we're on this bit of land over here. Come on now. Oh, 3, 2, 1. 100. 200. Come on. 300. Stay stable. Oh, no. Oh, sheesh. Okay, that was about 350 or so. So we definitely broke the land speed record there. Whoa. That's kind of nice. Look at that. But we definitely need something more impressive. Now, I want to try and build something that actually looks like the original ship. So I believe we're already fairly spot on with his cockpit as is. And then what I think we'll do is we'll add, say, this here. Now, the original ship was fairly long and it has these big, massive jet engine type things on the side. So let's have a look at the engines. I think something like this would be most accurate. Whoa. Okay, maybe not quite that big. Maybe the size down from that. Now, they did actually appear to be quite a bit longer than this. So it was something a lot closer to this. And it was just a tiny bit up from perfectly flat at the bottom, like that maybe? I want to say something along those lines. Perfect. And I'm thinking we want wheels with such a minimum profile to help with the aerodynamics of the whole thing. And this is kind of how it seems that the real ship's wheels were as well. So that looks pretty okay to me. And then we'll just stick a reasonable thruster on the back, like that. Now, the original ship, of course, didn't have a big thruster on the back, but I'm taking a few creative liberties. Now, this one also did have a wing, maybe a tad smaller than the last one, even though that did work perfectly. Oh, that is perfect. And we just need maybe something along these lines. Now, I'm just going to give it a quick color to make it match the original a little bit better. And there we have it. Whoa, look at the difference a little bit of paint can do, huh? I even tried to get some of the designs there on the side like the real life one had, or some of the logos even. But I mean, look at this. Does that not look beautiful? See this kind of chrome detailing and everything here? I mean, oh. Like, not to toot my own horn, but I did a good job. It's going to be very disappointing if this does a really, really terrible job now. Now, I do have everything auto-strutted, but just to be safe, I want to put just a few down here, just for a little bit of stability. And just like that, the Speedy Gonzalez Mark IV is ready. I mean, tell me that isn't a faithful recreation. Like, let's have this ship here, and then let's put the real one next to it. See? You literally cannot even tell the difference. Now in performance, you'll probably be able to tell the difference. I haven't actually put any wing parts here, so if I do have an issue with swaying left and right or something, I'm going to add some of those, whatever they're called, the lift module things. All right, you ready, Jeb? Let me see if you can see. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let's power up. Looking good, looking good. Second stage. Oh, come on. Oh, 400. Oh, come on. It's a plane. Oh, no. That actually went really well. Just goes to show, it looks like the real life engineers knew what they were talking about for once. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to veer over here. Try and get a bit of a longer runway. Okay, come on. Come on, stay stable, come on. No! Stability! Ah! No! Oh, we did better before! Something I am actually aware of is the other launch pad is a little bit longer. The other runway is a small bit longer. So I think we should have a greater chance here. Come on now, pick up a bit of speed. Okay, 100. Come on, stay stable, 300. Oh, so fast! Oh, about 460 before we run out. Oh! This actually works as a plane. So 460 seems to be our current record, which more than beats the real life record. But I don't think this part happened in real life. So I'm thinking we need more speed all at once. And as useful as these side engines are, they do have one fault. And the fault is, they're not this engine. Okay, let's try this one more time. Speedy Gonzales Mark 5. Launch. Back at the desert launch pad here. I'm kind of excited to see how this turns out, because honestly, I don't see anything going wrong with this. 3, 2, 1, lift off. 200, oh my god, we're looking good. 300, 400, 500, that's a new record. Oh, that was about 600. That was about 600. Woohoo. Goodbye. Oh, come on, Jeb. Oh no, Jebediah. Okay, that was a new record, so we've learned something valuable, which is more thrust makes you go faster. The more you know, huh? Okay, now that time we actually ran out of launch pad again, so I'm thinking we'll stay here on this runway, and we'll see how much speed we can pick up here. Now I'm actually looking at the area around us, like, how flat is this? Like, if I were to go in a straight direction that way, would I be able to pick up a bit more speed, or even this way? Oh, that is a hill, we just take off. Okay, SAS on. We have about 600 to beat, I believe. Maybe. 3, 2, 1. 300. Come on, stay stable. Oh! No! Landed it. So what if I add one of these elevator things to the back that allows us to have more left and right control? Aha! Honestly, could not have been more perfect. So I'm thinking I'll do that, and at the same time, in an effort to make this slightly more aerodynamic, maybe I'll take off these front parts, and I'll add some of these. No, that would be ridiculous. Much better. I'll add some of these guys here. So let's get 2 like that. Okay, good. And there we have it. And now I'm going to move these wheels a little bit up, as I said before. Hopefully this doesn't cause any problems. Now I think in a slight effort to make us not take off, I'm going to have the front wheels be a little bit lower down than the back wheels. So say like this, so the nose cone is ever so slightly pointed downwards into the ground, which should create some downforce, especially with this wing. So that is the Speedy Gonzales Mark 6. Launch. I don't think I moved these wheels even slightly enough to create the downforce that I was talking about. It's actually a little bit bouncy. I think I might have made it worse, but let's try it out, shall we? 2, 3, 4. Oh, 6, 700! That was 7! Oh my god. Ah! God, the aerodynamics, they actually worked. They worked so well. Got it. Oh, I thought we might survive. Well, the wheels survived. Okay, that worked very well. Now, the main issue there is that we ran out of room, of runway, and these wheels were a little bit wobbly, but we can fix that. Oh, wait, they're supposed to turn. The wheels are fine. Nothing really went wrong. So we could either find a longer runway or make a faster ship. I like the latter more. Yes! This looks a bit like that stealth bomber, actually. And look, all the struts actually lined up as well. We don't need nearly this many wheels, so let's take off these guys, and put some in the center. Do we even need the center ones? Let's try without the center first and see what happens. Speedy Gonzales Mark 7, let's go. So that was a new record just then. I'm sure I'll actually keep the speed record, say, up in the corner because I've actually already forgotten what speed we got to. Now we are dipping a tiny bit in the middle. Maybe it will help our aerodynamics. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! Oh, this is working so well! What? What? Oh my god, I'm so good at this. Yes! Oh! That was a new record. That actually was a new record with my slight downward tilt as well. I am an engineering genius. Not an engineer, mind you. Architect, but engineering not an architect. I want to be a future architect. Look at that control. I think this is probably the most efficient thing I've ever built in my entire career. Probably should have turned left at the runway, but it's fine. This is like unironically one of the best planes I've ever made. Look at this, fully functional as a car or a rover or something. I mean, I see no reason not to ferry this up to Mars. Or Duna even. Oops. Okay, are you ready, Jebediah? Yes, you are. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Stability! Stability! Okay, we need to stay on the runway. We have to stay on the runway. Well, I see no reason not to push this further. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. Launch. I was worried we were going to run out of room, but it looks like we have plenty. Okay, SAS, full speed. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh no. 3. Oh, God. I just can't see what went wrong. Maybe some more wheels? Oh, I know. It must be the humid seaside air messing with our aerodynamics. I think we're tilting a bit the wrong direction now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I was right. I was so right. 800. Oh, come on. That was 800. That was 800. So we definitely have a winning design here. Now I'm thinking there's only really one direction we can go from here, and that's up. And just make sure we still have our aerodynamic part. And there we have it, the most efficient design possible. Now I'm thinking, and this is just a little bit of forethought from previous experience, but I'm thinking maybe we add a few struts, and it would probably help to have this in line. I literally cannot see any reason this won't work. I mean, we have our boosters, reasonable amount. We have our struts for stability. We got a few wheels, and we have our aerodynamics up here. So the Speedy Gonzales Mark 9, let's launch. Oh, oh no. Oh, it all went wrong. It's all gone horribly wrong. I guess we need more wheels. Let's try that out. Oh. Oh ho ho ho. Would you look at that? 3. Oh, we're turning. We're turning. 2, 1. Lift off. Oh. 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 Oh no. Whoa! EVA! EVA! No! Oh! 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 Are you done? Let's try this again, but we'll bring back an old friend. This guy. There is approximately a 100% chance this will go exactly to plan.
They've done studies, 60% of the time, it works every time.
So I'd say with that new wing, we're technically Mark 10. Let's go! Oh, wrong runway! Shit! Okay, looking good, looking good. 3, 2, 1. Yeehaw! Oh, 500! No! Oh, Jesus Christ! Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bigger is not always better. I think what we'll do is we'll go back to this base design, because this, I believe, is the one that seemed to be the most stable and was quite fast. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the same guy here on the outside. Let's remove these. And through just a little bit of clipping, I'm going to put them inside each other. There you have it. The Mark 11 is ready. Okay, okay. Nothing's blown up so far. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no! Oh God! Oh, it's. Oh my god, it went so fast. I can't believe it went that fast. I just want to hit the 1,000 and I'll be happy. 1,000 on land and I'll be happy. Oh! So let's make sure we have that tiny little bit of downward angle I was talking about earlier. And also let's change the launch pad to the longer runway. Okay, I have some high hopes now. This is it, Jebediah. This is it. Lift off. 100, 200, 300, 400. Oh no! How? How did that happen? The importance of SAS, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Come on, stay steady. Come on, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah! There's just not enough runway. Okay, I think we do it again. Put that thruster inside of that thruster. We'll make this thruster enter this thruster. Now we have a large, incestuous pile of thrusters. Let's go. I see this going quite well. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No! No! God damn you! Okay, this has to be it. 5, 6, 7. No! Jeb! Now the problem is that when we add these thrusters, it adds weight. But what if I take these guys and I don't put them in the center like this? 3 and 4. Okay, this has to be it. Launch. Oh! Oh no! Damn you, laws of physics! Damn you! Okay, minor tweaks, minor tweaks. Okay, that should help a lot. And maybe I'll take my own advice, which is that bigger is always better every single time. Bigger is not always better. Almost forgot to rename it. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! What? Maybe I went too fast all at once. What if I do this? Pick up a bit of speed. Oh! These wheels just aren't cutting it anymore. Oh. Why are you veering off like that? Oh, it doesn't even make any sense. You know what? I need to look at this from a different angle. What if I did something as basic as this? This tiny thing just has 2 vector engines. Let's try it out. Oh. Oh. Oh! Oh my god. I think this might be the right way to go. 4 vector engines in the back. I made the wheels tighter. Let's go. Lift off! Okay, we ran out of fuel. Let me just make one quick tweak. Lift off! Come on, 4, 5, 6, 7. No! Too much drag. There's too much drag. Come on, 5, 6. No! Why? Why? Ah, yes, that is off the ground. Boo! Oh. And my game crashed. Well, there you have it, folks. It is literally, physically, and spiritually impossible to surpass 1,000 meters per second while in a land vehicle. Nobody can possibly tell me otherwise. We did get very close, maybe 800 or so. If you did enjoy that video and you enjoyed seeing my desktop home screen, then leave a like and subscribe. I will endeavor to be better at the game in the future, and I'll catch you next time.